Developer and consumer interaction with the GPII DeveloperSpace. This is a quick demonstration of the DeveloperSpace, a new online resource for anyone wanting to develop or market assistive technologies, or to add access features to mainstream information and communication technologies. The quick demo will show you the major parts of the DeveloperSpace and unified listing and how these interact and work together for developers and consumers. The DeveloperSpace. As can be seen, the DeveloperSpace, shown at the bottom, is fully connected to the unified listing above. The unified listing provides a complete directory of assistive technologies and access features in mainstream products and provides a unique marketing tool for those creating access solutions. Let's look at some type of users and how the DeveloperSpace would address their needs. Developers creating a new assistive technology. We'll start off with developers who are creating a new assistive technology. Developers can use components from the Develop section to help them create the product faster and also save on development costs. When they're done and ready to market it, they can use the marketing component of the DeveloperSpace to insert the new product into the unified listing. Once in the unified listing, it becomes available to users worldwide and is also automatically sent to the databases that are federated, integrated with the unified listing. This includes databases throughout Europe, the United States and Australia. Customer looking but not finding product. Now let's look at a customer who is viewing products in the unified listing and doesn't find what they need. They can use the feedback features of the unified listing to provide feedback to the manufacturers regarding products features they would like to see in individual products, or can provide information on future products they would like to see. Feedback information goes to the specific manufacturer and also, if it's general in nature, to the DeveloperSpace in general for use by other developers. Information on future products goes to the DeveloperSpace as desired features, challenges, or grant challenges for developers or researchers. The goal is to have a complete loop where the feature request leads to development of the capability, its posting to the unified listing in all of the federated databases and availability to users. Company connected to user willing to do testing. The following example is a user who volunteers to be a tester and is engaged by the developer. The user begins by registering with the DeveloperSpace, offering to participate as a tester and noting the type of ICT they are interested in being a tester for. Like this, when a developer is looking for testers of the new product, they can send a query to the DeveloperSpace. The query results in a notification to the potential testers, users who match the developer's needs, giving them the developer's contact information. They will contact the developers directly. The DeveloperSpace never shares testers' identities or contact information with the developers. Manufacturer uses unified listing to market product. Now let's talk about manufacturers who wish to add a new product to the unified listing. The manufacturer fills out a simple form to provide the curators with basic information and a link to the manufacturer's product page. When a manufacturer adds a new product, it instantly goes out and it is included in the appropriate databases depending upon if it's a mainstream database or an assistive technology. When a manufacturer updates a product, the curators update the records, adds pictures or text, or edits its content to be more accurate. The changes are then automatically fed back to the different databases and to the manufacturer. Users of the unified listing provide feedback and requests for new features to developers. Users of the unified listing can also leave hints, comments, and tips for developers and other users. There are 3 ways for users to leave feedback. First, when they're searching for products and can't find what they need, they can use a feature on the search page to send a comment to developers and vendors describing the type of product they need and would like to see. Second, when viewing any product, one they have or one they are shopping for, they can leave comments for the manufacturer about features or improvement they would like to see. If they apply to other products, they are also fed to the DeveloperSpace as new ideas or challenges. Third, they can leave hints and tips to other users about the product. For example, a user may mention that a product conflicts with another, or may point at a glitch and provide a suggestion in how to make it work, or highlight a really interesting feature of product for its specific advantages.